Beautiful babes, guess what? Your queen of oils is back. Y'all know I love oils. And listen, today I have one for you because if your skin has been feeling dry, dull, tight, flaky, or just not acting the same anymore, baby, menopause, stress, weather changes, and aging can absolutely affect our skin. But today I want to talk about one simple natural oil that has become a favorite in my beauty routine. That's sunflower oil. And let me tell you right now, this lightweight oil may not get talked about enough, but guess what? It can leave the skin looking soft, glowy, moisturized, and healthy. Now, before we get started, please remember, beautiful babes, I am not an esthetician, dermatologist, or medical professional. I'm simply sharing my own personal experiences, thoughts, and opinions about products and treatments I personally use. And always do a patch test before trying anything new on your skin. Now let's get into these sunflower oil benefits because, baby, this oil surprised me. Benefit number one, we're talking about moisture. Sunflower oil is amazing for dry skin. As we get older, especially during menopause, postmenopause, our skin naturally loses moisture and elasticity. That can leave the skin looking ashy, tight, cracked, rough, or dull. But sunflower oil helps lock moisture into the skin without feeling super heavy or greasy. I personally love using it right after the shower on damp skin. I use it on my elbows, my knees, my feet, and hands. And let me tell you, the glow afterwards, oh yeah. Benefit number two, rich in vitamin E. Did you know that? Sunflower oil contains vitamin E, which is known for helping support healthier looking skin. Vitamin E is often used in skincare products because it may help with improving the appearance of dry skin, supporting smoother looking skin, and helping skin appear softer and more radiant. And listen, beautiful babes, mature skin needs love, and it loves moisture and nourishment. Give it to it. Give it some sunflower oil. Let's talk about benefit number three, lightweight and non-heavy. We love that, right? Now, some oils can feel sticky, thick, or sit on top of the skin. But sunflower oil feels much lighter than many heavy oils. That's why so many people enjoy using it on the face, on the body, in your hair, even mixed into lotions and creams. And benefit number four, it may help support the skin barrier. Our skin barrier protects the skin from dryness and environmental stress. When that barrier becomes weak, the skin can become irritated and dehydrated. Sunflower oil contains fatty acids that may help support the skin barrier and help the skin feel softer and calmer. Let's talk about benefit number five, great for the hair and scalp. Yes, I need that, y'all. Baby, don't sleep on sunflower for the hair. I like applying a small amount on my dry ends, around the edges, on the scalp when it feels dry. It can help the hair look shinier and feel softer. Now remember, a little goes a long way. And now benefit number six, beautiful natural glow. You know your girl loves a healthy glow. Sunflower oil can leave the skin looking dewy, soft, smooth, and youthful looking, especially on mature skin. And beautiful babes, sometimes simple ingredients really do work beautifully. I like to use it a few simple ways. Let me share with you. I mix it into my body lotion. I apply it after showers. I use it on these dry feet overnight, on my hands and cuticles. And how about mix it with sugar for a DIY scrub? Or again, on dry hair ends. And let me tell you, the skin be feeling good afterwards. Now listen, babes, natural oils are not magic cures, okay? but finding simple products that help your skin feel nourished and moisturized can make such a difference. And sunflower oil may be one of those affordable beauty secrets worth trying. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know down below, have you ever tried sunflower oil before? I love y'all so much, beautiful babes. So guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.